We're heading for the festive season now, so I thought it would be a good time to share with you my keto or low carb roast potato substitute patties. But if you intend abandoning your diet over the Christmas period, I won't blame you, but then I suggest you try these smashed potatoes. They're absolutely gorgeous. Right, let's get on with it. Right, they've been in the oven now for about 25 or 30 minutes at 180 degrees C, so we're going to have a look and maybe give them a taste. That's looking pretty good. Let me find a good looking one. This one looks quite nice. Here we go, not too bad. Now it's a matter of tasting. Here goes. They're beautifully savoury and they'll go great with the meat dish, so quite acceptable as a pseudo potato or potato substitute. I'll put the recipe for you in the description below this video and any links that I've referred to. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. And if you click the bell next to the subscribe button, you'll get notification when our next video comes out. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. Just scroll right down to the bottom and you'll find the comment section there. Have a happy holiday and stay safe. Thanks for watching.